Hey everyone! Welcome back. For today's vlog, I want to talk about something that I've heard many times from friends and people close to me. You're too nice. And honestly, maybe they're right. Most of my life, I've always tried to be kind to people. I tried to understand them. I tried to be patient. I tried to help whenever I can. And many times, I'd rather inconvenience myself than disappoint someone else. Because in my heart, I always believe that doing the right thing matters. But there were moments when people would tell me, "You're being taken advantage of. You're giving too much. You're allowing people to abuse your kindness." And to be honest, there were times when I didn't want to believe it because my thinking was simple. At least I know I did the right thing. At least I know my intentions were good. But as I got older, I realized something important. Kindness is beautiful, but kindness without boundaries can become self-neglect. And sometimes being too nice comes at a cost. The cost of your peace, the cost of your energy, the cost of your self-respect. And naalala ko tuloy yung kantang ito. Okay. Minsan, kailangan din nating magtanong sa sarili natin, ginagawa ba natin ito dahil mabuti tayo o dahil natatakot tayong mag-set ng boundary? So, here are some lessons I want to share. One, kindness and boundaries can exist together. You don't have to choose one or the other. Second, saying no doesn't make you a bad person. It simply means you're respecting your limits. Third, not everyone deserves unlimited access to your kindness. Some people appreciate it, others take advantage of it. And lastly, protect your peace. You cannot pour from an empty cup. I still believe in being kind. I still believe in helping people. But I'm learning that I also need to protect myself. Because being kind doesn't mean sacrificing my well being. And loving others shouldn't mean forgetting myself. If you're someone who is always giving, always helping, always understanding, I want you to remember this. You deserve the same kindness that you freely give to others. You deserve rest. You deserve respect. And you deserve healthy boundaries. The goal is not to become less kind. The goal is to become wise with your kindness. So continue being kind. Continue having a good heart. But don't forget to take care of yourself too. Because a healthy heart knows when to give and when to step back. If this message resonated with you today, I'd love for you to be part of this growing community. Feel free to follow me on Facebook for more stories, reflections, and life lessons from the heart. And if you think this vlog might encourage someone who's struggling with people pleasing, boundaries, or self worth, please share it as well. Together, let's continue spreading kindness, healing, and positive growth. One story, one lesson, and one heart at a time. Dahan-dahan lang, aayos din ang lahat. Hindi ka nag-iisa. See you on my next vlog.